Listen, I'm not here to waste your time. Because today I'm showing you a new AI website that can pay you daily, and the crazy part is, you don't need any skills, you don't need experience, and you don't even need to show your face. But wait, before you get excited, I personally tested this platform, and in this video I'll show you how it works, how you earn money daily, and the exact steps to start today. So watch this video till the end, because I'll also tell you the biggest mistake beginners make that stops them from getting paid. If you're new here, welcome to Future Income Lab, the channel where we talk about AI tools, online earning methods, and freelancing strategies that actually work in 2026. Now let's jump straight into it. So the AI website I found is called Website Name Here. This is basically a platform where you can use AI tools to complete simple tasks like generating content, rewriting text, creating product descriptions, making short scripts, summarizing articles, and sometimes even image prompts. And companies pay for these tasks, but you get a portion of that payment. That's why this platform can pay you daily, because the work is fast and the demand is high. Now listen carefully, this is not a get-rich-quick trick, it's a real platform. But only if you use it correctly. This method is perfect if you're a beginner. You don't have freelancing experience, you want a side hustle, you want online income without investment, you want a skill-building platform, but if you're expecting to earn $500 in one day with zero effort, then this is not for you. So let me explain the daily payment system. On this platform, you earn through task completion, AI-based micro jobs, referral bonus, optional performance levels. Once you hit the minimum withdrawal amount, you can cash out through PayPal, Payoneer, crypto, bank transfer depending on the website system. And the reason it pays daily is because payments are processed automatically every 24 hours. Now I'll show you exactly how to register. Step number 1. Create your account. Click on sign up and enter your name, email, password. After that, verify your email. And one tip, use a professional email because sometimes they ask for verification if you start earning fast. Now once your account is ready, you'll see your dashboard like this. Now step number 2 is where most people fail. You must set up your profile properly. Go to profile settings and select your skills: writing, editing, translation, your language, your country, and your payment method, even if you don't have skills. Select beginner options, because if you skip this part, the platform will not show you the best tasks. This is the first reason people complain: bro, website fake, no tasks showing, no, your profile is incomplete. Now go to the task section. Here you'll see multiple categories like AI content writing, blog outlines, product description, rewriting and paraphrasing, YouTube script, prompt, social media captions. Most tasks are extremely simple. For example, they'll give you a short paragraph and ask you to rewrite it professionally. Or they'll say, generate 5 Instagram captions for a fitness product, and you can easily do that using chat. Yes, this is the secret. You can use chat as your assistant and complete tasks 5x faster. But don't copy and paste blindly. You must read and slightly improve the results to avoid rejection. Now the real question, how much money can you make? It depends on your speed and consistency. Beginners can easily make $5 to $20 per day. Intermediate users can make $20 to $50 per day, and advanced users with fast completion can reach $50 to $100 per day. But I'm not promising anything, because your income depends on number of tasks available, how fast you complete them, your approval rate. If you get rejected too much, you will earn less, so quality matters. Now listen carefully, because this part is serious. If you want long-term earning, avoid these mistakes. Don't submit low-quality copy-paste AI output. Don't rush tasks without checking grammar. Don't use multiple accounts. Don't use VPN if the platform doesn't allow it. Don't lie in verification details. One mistake can get your account blocked. So treat it like a real job, because it is a real online income method. Now let me give you 3 pro tips to earn more. Tip number 1. Choose high-paying tasks. Don't waste time on $0.10 tasks. Focus on tasks above $1. Tip number 2. Work in peak hours. Tasks come mostly during US and UK peak hours. Tip number 3. Use AI smartly. Use chat, Grammarly, and Quillbot to polish your output. That will increase your approval rate. Approval rate equals more tasks equals more money. Simple. Now here's the bonus trick. Once you become consistent on this platform, you can use your results to start freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. Because you'll have Experience Proof Speed Portfolio, meaning this website can become your training plus earning system. But I'll be honest, if you're lazy, you'll earn nothing. This is not magic. This is a smart method for people who want daily income using AI without skills, but you still have to work. Now, if you want me to make a full video showing exact website name, live earning proof, and full withdrawal process, then comment AI below. And if you want more AI income methods like this, subscribe to Future Income Lab, because I upload videos that can literally change your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.